Hello everybody. So today I will show you how to change app icon to custom images in iPhone. So first find a desired icon, locate the image you want to use as your app's icon, save the image, tap on it and tap on save in photos or anything. Now after saving, go back to now after saving open shortcuts, open it. Now from here tap on plus icon, tap on add actions. From here type open app and choose it. Now from here what you have to do, tap on this open app, tap on rename. Now rename it to App Store. Tap on done. Now from here, now you can see App Store is created. If you open, it will open. Now what you have to do, simply click on these three dots, tap on share. From here what you have to do, tap on add to home screen. Now from here it will ask images, choose photo, tap on choose photo, and from here choose which you have downloaded from any Google or any, tap on choose and it will get selected. Tap on add. Now your new app store is created. As you can see, your new app is created. That's it. Thanks for watching. See you in next